Hi, Amy. Yes. Say hi, Denver. Kuya Rico. Ate Sam. Ate Apple. Ate Apple and Kuya James.
Hi, hello.
So, yeah, we're actually a lot. We're going to Iloilo for the UCAT Congress.
Yes.
So, it will be from November 7 to 10, but today is November 5 because we will have 2 days where we will tour Iloilo City. So, I'll be taking you guys along with me. And now we're just waiting here at our boarding gate. We already checked in our baggage. And yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated. So we already boarded the plane. Funny story guys, nasa kabilang gate kami. So hindi namin narinig yung boarding call until like tinawag na kami on the PA system. So ayun, but at least we're here na. And then Kuya Rico, Ate Apple, and Ate Danger on the other side. Yes, it was beautiful. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay guys, so we're now here at Iloilo Airport. Excited na si Ate Apo. The joke lang. Okay, yeah, we're on our way to claim our baggage. And yes, it's so nice. Look at that. And we're on the way to Richmond Hotel where we'll be staying. So at Apple. Ay, magsiselfie na yun si Ate Apple, oh.
12:09 sila. Main kayo doon sa kabila.
This is our room. Yes, 12:09. Okay.
CLF or Richmond Hotel.
CLF.
Kasi it's 12th floor.
Saan ba ito? And then, yes! Okay, ako na bahala dyan.
Don't disturb. Okay.
Yes! Wow!
Dibs, ako yung sa buong kama. Tatawag sa... It's not a joke.
Wait lang.
Bed here. I suggest you sleep in the sofa, Miss Dang.
Okay, time for... Okay. Hi guys, so we're now here in the room. It's time for our room tour. Okay, so here is the where we entered, and then when you go in, there's the CR. Then there's a mirror and the stuff there. And then that's our beds. Then TV, and let's check our view. Oh, there we go.
So peppa doon.
Okay guys, and then roommates ko sina Ate Apple, si Ate Dang, tsaka si Amy.
Not for long.
Girls room, tapos yung sila naman boys room sa kabila. So, yeah. Hey guys, so we just finished lunch. We actually met up with my dad and my brother.
With your dad.
Yeah.
Very, very
Yeah.
cool dad. Sobrang cool lang dad niya.
So yeah, my dad treated all of us with lunch.
He doesn't look like 52.
So and now we're just going back to ang hangin dito. We're just going back to the hotel.
Yeah, 25. Mabalik na ulit ako sa dati kong kinakain.
So we're just going back to the hotel to fix our stuff and just rest. And then later lalabas ulit kami. So windy talaga. My hair so messy. Okay guys, lahat kami nag-rest na dito sa boys room. Tapos nakatulog na si Ate Dang. Tsaka si Kuya Rico. Tapos kami, ako, si Amy, si Ate Apple, nakahihiga dito. Tsaka we're watching TV kanina pa. Parang pumunta lang kaming Iloilo para manood ng Showtime. Tawag ng tanghalan. Tapos ano, si Ate Apple, si Amy, tapos si Janver, lahat kami nagpo-phone lang. Yung mga gising pa, nagpo-phone lang. Si Kuya Jamas lumabas eh, tagal niyang bumalik.
Baka nakidnap. Sobrang daling ma-deflate ng pillow.
So, Amy,
Parang
are you gonna sleep? Why is our lights off?
I was checking if I'd get scared in the dark.
Oh my gosh.
I was checking. Okay, I'll pretend it's dark now.
Okay, so we went to our room. Except Ate Apple, who chose to stay there.
Thank God.
So ngayon, tag-isa kaming bed. Pero mamaya, I think, tabi kami ni Ate Apple.
And then we're gonna end up sleeping right now. So when Ate Apple knocks, nobody answers the door. That's it.
Ayan, para makakapagpahinga kami ng
From Ate Apple's mouth.
Anyway, tinatamad ata si Ate Apple kasi bumangon. Nakahiga siya doon. No? Hindi na makatayo. Kasi ang ganda ng higa niya doon. So anyway, I'm just gonna rest right now. So yeah, I actually fell asleep, which is understandable because I got up at 4:30 a.m. this morning because I had to go to DLSU and then sabay kami lahat pumunta ng airport. And now I'm going to the 7th floor kasi nandun si Ate Apple tsaka si Janver. So dun kami mag-chill. Yan, nagkita siya nga ng makeup pag-gising ko. And then, yeah, went to 7th floor to chill with them there. So,
doors are opening. Going down.
okay. By the way, si Ate Dang tsaka si Amy kasi tulog pa. So, yeah, well, I was asleep as well. Ate Apple left. And she just left a message, so.
7th floor. Doors are closing.
Hello! Yes!
Why like supporting Filipino artists?
Nahiya pa si Ate Apple. Guys, ang ganda sana natin kaso biglang umulan. Balik na lang kami ng room. Biglang umambon eh. Gigisingin na namin yung mga tulog.
So, nag-ilo-ilo tayo.
12th floor.
Okay, so after gisingin yung boys, yung roommates naman namin, na kanina patulog. It is already 4:46 and we've been resting like since like 2 or 3. Sobrang haba ng rest time namin. So, it's time for them to wake up. Actually, hindi kasi magdi-dinner na kami. Tapos, lalabas kami to have fun.
Alarm! Alarm! Alarm!
Gising na!
Wake up! Wake up!
Si Amy na lang!
Ilaw dito, ba?
Amy! Wala na. Dilim na.
Amy! You didn't already move my head. What was wrong?
Anyway, so guys, we just came from the museum and now we're here at
Budot Balat.
Budot Balat. Okay?
At Budot Balat.
Thank you, Kuya Rico. Kasi magdi-dinner na kami and then Kuya James, anong gagawin natin after dinner?
Di-dinner ulit.
Coffee shop sa baba. Coffee shop.
Siguro mag-night swimming or something.
Yun.
We'll see.
Bibilis Kuya James. Kasi sinabi ko naman yun, pareho kaming psychology. Sabi ko naman sa kanya. Hindi ako nang...
Hey fam! So, we're here at the marketplace. We're gonna go grocery for our snacks at the pool. Yeah, so bibili namin ng chips and then go swimming later. And Crested Walk. We walked all the way from Marketplace. Tapos dito kami pumunta para magpa-picture.
From Marketplace, now we're...
Yes. As if naman ang layo, ang lapit lang naman. Tsaka medyo umuulan kaya nakahod ako. Pati si Ate Apple. And si Kuya Rico. Okay, so we're going to the pool area, the 7th floor. Pero hindi na kami magsiswimming kasi hanggang 9 lang. And 9 o'clock na, so magchichill lang kami doon, kakain ng chips. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan, chill-chill lang. Baka bukas na kami mag-swimming. Tapos, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. yung breakfast na. Okay, anyway. See you guys there.
Why? Oh my God!
Nag-iisa siya.
Actual pimple!
Nag-iisa siya.
Doors are open.
I opened the center.
Yes.
Where are they?
Ay. Ano si Janver?
Kala ko nag-swimming ka eh. Janver, kulang yata yan.
So guys, we're already here at the 7th floor. So basically yan lang. There's the pool, bar.
Ano, hindi ko nilalagyan.
And, yeah, I know. She's gonna stay here para makapag-bonding kami. So, we went back to the room. Kasi bawal yung outside food dun sa pool area. And medyo pricey yung food and drinks nila. So, we just decided to stay in the room and have a movie night. And we're video calling with Liz at the moment. So, yeah. So, hey! Ate Apple. Humiga na kami ni Ate Apple habang nagmo-movie. Tsaka katapos lang, we watched Good Boys and I don't know. I feel like it was good naman if about friendship, pero medyo weird rin yung movie in a way. Pero I guess okay lang. I don't know. Ikaw, Ate Apple, what do you think?
I don't know. Weird movie.
Anyway, it is now... What time is it? It is 11:39 p.m. and we're gonna get ready for bed. Tapos we're gonna have... Yeah, so basically yun lang naman. I'm very tired na kasi nga I woke up at 4:30 a.m. And I slept mga 11:30, so medyo nantok na ako, but I'm just gonna still have to change, use the CR and stuff. So I'll end today's vlog here and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.